In this video, you are going to learn how to create a page for your company on Quora. Now, the advantage of doing this is that all of the questions about your company will be grouped under one page, and it also then enables people to follow your topic or company so that they can be notified anytime a new question is added about your company. So you can see here for Udemy, they have 37,000 people following their topic or company. And then anytime that a question is asked about Udemy, all of these 37,000 people will be notified, which kind of keeps the company and the brand in the minds of these people. And also, if you create your own page, then you can follow the topic and make sure you're being notified every time that somebody creates or adds a question on your company. So to do this, it's actually very simple. What you need to do is actually create a topic for your company. So it's not really like creating a page that you go in and set it up like a Facebook page. All you really need to do is create a topic. So to get started, what you want to do is search for your company name. So I will just say My Awesome Site. Now, if I search for that, there's no results for that. So what I can do then is add a question and say something like, is my awesome site good? So I just really want to add a question first. And then what I can do is edit the topics. And what I want to do is create a new topic. So I'm creating this topic, and now I can click done. So what I can do is I've created essentially a topic around my company name. And now any time that somebody mentions this, say, is my awesome site good? How much does my awesome site cost? Etc. Just insert your company name there. Then the person who's asking the question will have that option to add this topic, and then that question will appear here under this company page or topic. So it's a little bit of a new way to create a page, I guess, on Quora, a little bit different than maybe something like Facebook, but the idea is still the very same. You create a topic. Every time someone adds that topic to a question, the question will appear here under your page. If you follow your own topic, then you'll get notified every time there's a question. And it also enables people to follow your company and keep updated with questions that other people have about it. So that is how you create a page for your business on Quora. Once again, it's very simple. Search for your company. If it's not there, add a question and then create a topic to make sure that your brand name is the topic created. So go ahead and test that out for yourself if you want to create a page for your business on Quora.